Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. It's marketed as a more affordable alternative to the premium Galaxy Tab S9, so let's see how it holds up. Starting with the design, Samsung has done a commendable job. The Tab S9 FE Plus boasts a sleek and premium look, similar to its pricier siblings. It's slim, lightweight, and feels great in hand with its 12.4-inch LCD display. The bezels are minimal, giving prominence to the vibrant screen. Speaking of the display, although it's not a mold like its more expensive counterpart, the LCD panel here still impresses. It's bright, hitting up to 760 nits, making outdoor visibility a breeze. Colors are vivid, with 152.4% sRGB coverage and 108% DCI-P3, though it doesn't match the deep blacks of OLED. Now, let's talk performance. Equipped with the Exynos 1380 processor and 8GB of RAM, day-to-day tasks run smoothly. However, it struggles a bit with intensive games, as seen in benchmarks like Geekbench 5. It's not as powerful as some competitors in its price range, but for casual use, it gets the job done. Battery life is where the Tab S9 FE Plus shines. With its large 10,090 mAh battery, it easily lasts through a full day of heavy usage. Charging is via USB-C, and it supports Wi-Fi 6E for fast wireless connectivity. Unfortunately, there's no 5G option, limiting its future-proofing. Switching to cameras, it features a decent setup for video calls and occasional snapshots. Nothing groundbreaking, but sufficient for tablet standards. Audio quality, delivered through stereo speakers, is crisp and clear, though lacking a bit in bass. Lastly, Samsung includes an S Pen stylus in the box, perfect for note-taking and creative tasks. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus offers a premium design, a vibrant display, and solid battery life at a more accessible price point. It's not without its compromises in performance, especially compared to its pricier sibling or some competitors. If you're looking for a reliable Android tablet without breaking the bank, this is worth considering. And that wraps up our review of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.